Hi, I'm David Kidd, Eastern Regional Sales Manager for Presta Products. Hey, we've got a great video here we want to show you on a new system we call the hybrid system. It utilizes the rotary buffer as well as the DA polisher to give you amazing cut and fantastic clarity. All of the components that we're using, the compounds, are all from the paste kit with exception to the black wool pad. You'll need to get that separate. But again, the rotary gives you fantastic cut of speed and the DA gives you amazing detail shop clarity. Let me show you how. To utilize the Presta hybrid system, you will need a rotary buffer, DA polisher with a 21mm throw, Presta paste kit, and a Presta black wool pad. These chosen products are a proven formula from the professionals at Presta, and it's important to utilize the products shown here as different SKUs will produce different results. Step 1. The cutting step will utilize the rotary buffer, paste heavy cut compound, and black wool pad. Apply a quarter-size drop of the paste heavy cut compound to the vehicle's surface. Set your buffer speed to between 1200 and 1400 RPM. The slower speeds will help keep paste heavy cut abrasive sharp. Slow rotation also increases control over the buffer and creates less opportunity to damage the finish. Faster rotation speeds will prematurely dull the abrasive and create a slower cutting time and lessen cutting results. The combination of the paste heavy cut compound and black wool pad leaves a highly reflective finish, allowing you to see any further sanding marks or imperfections that need removed. The polishing step will remove pad marks and light scratches, but for any remaining sanding marks, repeat step 1. Step 2. The polishing step utilizes a dual action polisher with paste medium cut compound and the orange foam pad. Apply 4 drops of the paste medium cut compound to the orange pad. Run the DA polisher at full speed, making sure that each pass is overlapped by 60% over the previous pass. Once the compound is broken down, wipe the panel with a microfiber cloth to reveal a mirror finish. The combination of the paste compounds with the rotary and orbital tools leads to a safer process with less chance of burn-throughs, less mess than other rotary compounds, and most importantly, the ability to achieve an amazing finish in less time, allowing you to get more cars out the door.